Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come this site dell.com. After that click on support, then click on driver and download, then enter the model number, Alienware 14. After that click on search, then scroll down, wait few seconds to then select the driver, then click on the category. After that you can see the driver, all audio, chipset, mouse, keypad, network, storage. So all driver you can see. So first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11. So Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. If you are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver. Then scroll down and you can see keyboard, mouse in this touchpad driver. So just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. And it's different about your internet speed. So touchpad drive is completed, then open, single click to open, then click yes. So you can see touchpad driver, click to install, then next to install. This is very basic and simple method. Next, I accept, next. So driver is installing. Then click to install. Then it is finished. So click on finish and this is complete. And then close this. You can see touchpad and then close it.